the Kindle Bookstore 101. The objectives for Module 2 are an introduction and understanding on the operations of Kindle Bookstore, to understand the value of the Kindle Bookstore, and an overview of how to publish on the Kindle Bookstore. If you've chosen the self-publishing route, it means that Amazon will be your primary sales channel. It offers a number of advantages when publishing your book. First off, let's take a look at the history of the Kindle Bookstore. In 2007, Amazon introduced the Kindle, which I'm sure you know is a portable electronic reading device. It makes use of wireless connectivity to allow users to browse, search, and download ebooks, magazines, blogs, newspapers, and other digital media to your computer or mobile device. From its original 88,000 digital titles, the library quickly grew to more than 765,000 titles by 2011. The benefits of the Kindle Bookstore. Think of the Kindle Bookstore as a giant search engine for books. Any topic you can think of is probably published on Kindle and available for download. One of the greatest benefits with the Kindle Bookstore is the convenience in finding and storing books by the thousands, if you like, on your Kindle. You can literally have a complete library of information in the palm of your hands whenever you wish. Though relatively new, book sales from the Kindle Bookstore are increasing at a remarkable pace. With the success of the device, more and more people are buying books electronically versus traditional hard copies. Amazon is also very clever in offering a Kindle app for every platform there is to expand their customer base. In terms of volume, the Kindle Bookstore offers a much more competitive offering than the big boys, Barnes & Noble. If you plan to self-publish your own ebooks, then selling your ebook via the Kindle Bookstore is a must. But how exactly do you do this? Kindle Direct Publishing Program. Here's a brief overview of how to publish your ebook on Kindle. We'll go into more detail later in Module 8. Being a published author on the Kindle Bookstore is pretty straightforward. This is made possible through the Kindle Direct Publishing Program, or KDP. Once you become a publisher, you can participate in the 70% royalty program, and your book will become available on all Kindle devices. Publishing on the Kindle Bookstore. To publish your ebook, you need to sign up for an account and follow the necessary steps. It's recommended that your book is uploaded in DOC or PRC formats, but other formats are accepted as well. Any links that you place in your ebook should be edited to be human readable so they can be typed into a browser. Formatting your ebook according to Kindle standards is a must. Page breaks must be avoided and proper coding must be observed to make it appear the way that you want to. You can always make changes after uploading it as you see fit. To make it easier to find your ebook, you'll want to select your keywords carefully. Keep in mind that rankings affect its exposure in the marketplace, and with thousands of other titles, you want to get this right for maximum exposure. Product images are optional, however, are highly recommended as they help in both selling your new ebook and building your credibility as an author. Images may be uploaded in both TIFF or JPG formats of at least 500 pixels, although 1200 pixels is recommended. We'll cover pricing strategies later in Module 4, but as a Kindle publisher, you generally have the option to list your ebook at any price. However, you want to keep in mind that Kindle advertises these to be $9.99 or less. Ebooks are typically low-priced items. In addition, Amazon provides some pretty cool features for their publishers. When someone makes a purchase, they will pair books in the Bought With section, giving you greater exposure for your books and more opportunities for sales. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.